Hello everyone, good day, good morning or good midday. My name is Zoë, a mixed media artist from the Netherlands, and today I will show you my new TWSBI fountain pen. This time it will be the Serpentine. When I saw this online, I was really intrigued to see how it would look. I got it from the store Fonto Plumo, and I even got a little card what says, have fun with your TWSBI Eco from Frank. Okay, I got it open, so let's see. First view. If you've never seen a TWSBI pen before, it comes with the instructions, even more how you fill the pen and how you assemble it. And this is what it looks like. Ooh. Wow. Look at it. The trim. It also says don't clean this with alcohol, otherwise the finish will not last. It comes with another few things. A little thing, I forgot what this is called, and a little bit of silicone grease. So if this is a little bit more stroef or stuck, you can use that to loosen it up a little. Let me move this out of the way. I already had a few green colors that I wanted to try. I used this in a different video on how I do my ink swatches. But this is the pen on cream paper. If we compare it to the white box, and this is it in my hands, you can see the subtle swirls and however that even looks. What a cool color. If we open it up, this one is a broad nib because that's the favorite one I like to use. Yeah. These were the colors I wanted to try, but I will go with my custom color because I haven't used that one yet. You might say, hey, that might not be the right color. Maybe the Shanghai stationery would be better, or maybe on this side, that interstellar bronze. But I just really want to try and put that pen or put this ink into a pen. So that's what I will do. I already put it here. So let me just show you how you fill a TWSBI pen. It's quite easy. Just get your ink of choice. You can use an ink sample or whatever. You see this little thing, you press it down. This will get the air out. You can also put the nib already into the bottle. But I just do it at the last part. So I'll put it in now so most of the air is out, and then I will get it into the pen. I will not fill it all the way. This will be alright. And this is what it looks. Then you have your ink inside the pen. Get a little paper towel to wipe a bit of the excess. And take this thing away. I will do a little writing sample so you can see how it looks. For the writing sample, I use my writing sample booklet and also work in my currently ink after a little bit. But we will start with the writing sample. This is the... Oh, wait, let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. Serpentine Bronze with a B nib. Ink is from Tono and Thames, and this is the custom mix made at the Dutch Pen Show. It's called Zoë. Zoë. There we go, Zoë's olive. I like it. Ink feels a bit dry, but the color looks stunning. Color. I can write better than this, but this is just my normal writing speed. Let's see how this works. I think if you would have a wetter ink, the nib would behave more differently. But this is nice. I like it. And I think I do like the very dark look. It is more of a desaturated green, like the stone, because it's based on a real stone. And I do like the accents with the bronze. So that's a good thing to know. I will get my other booklet to write down my currently inked next to my other TWSBIs. So now I can put another one here. TWSBI Eco Serpentine Bronze with a broad nib, because that's my favorite, and then the ink is tonal and limbs. Custom Zoë's Olive, Zoë Olive. And a little heart. I think that is my little sneak peek of this pen, or it is not even a sneak peek. I think that's just my unboxing, my writing sample of this specific pen. I like it. It looks cool with the color that I gave it. It is of course a more darker pen, but you can truly see the effects, and every pen will be slightly different because of the way this looks. You can see I got quite a dark one, but I hope you like the one if you order one. Are you planning to get one, or have you ever tried a TWSBI before? I'm a big fan. This ink is a bit dry, so I might have to change that to the Tassia green ink, because that also looks real pretty in this booklet. You do not see the Tassia ink here, but you have to believe me there. But I hope you liked it. This was my little unboxing of the TWSBI Eco in the color Serpentine, together with ink color from Tonal Limbs. Thank you so much for watching, and till next time. Bye bye! Bye! Thank you so much for watching. My TWSBI collection is growing, and I like it a lot. Okay, bye bye!